So it's dinner time. Today's dinner option is breadfruit chips to be exact, and possibly some fish. The fish, that'll take care of itself, but I am on the search for breadfruit. So maybe you're not necessarily in a neighborhood in your village where you could rustle down a breadfruit from the tree. Easy so. But I can definitely assure you that there are plenty places around Barbados that you can find one. So this is where we're going. We're going in search of our breadfruit. Breadfruit is something that you can nice it up in a multiplicity of ways. You can mash it into breadfruit cuckoo. You can also make a rather elaborate looking breadfruit pie. If you are a one pot meal person, you can do a breadfruit pie, stick it in the oven, you've got all your proteins, you add your veg, and it'll just bake for 40 minutes or so. And it gives you time to do some other chores, and everybody's happy. But if you've got some young picky eaters, like I do, breadfruit chips and some fish will please everybody. So, come follow me. It's dinner time. Well, you see what happens when you spend a long day in the kitchen. Somebody is usually down for the count. So this is going to end up being dinner for two. Thank you. Because our little bunny has dropped off to sleep. Breadfruit chips. You've got your choice of fish. Could be swordfish. In this case, it's amber. You get your coleslaw, and somebody said to me that they make plantain, right?
Yes, please.
Bon appetit. Mm.